Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mercedes, and today I'm doing a video that I haven't did in so long. Guys, today I'll be doing my She's Happy Hair review, and I haven't done this in a while. This was actually my first YouTube video, a She's Happy Hair tutorial about 4 years ago, so I'll link that in the description box. But yeah, I'm coming back 4 years later. I purchased more hair, longer now, of course. If y'all want to see how I like this hair, how I got my hair this way, then keep on watching. The hair I'll be using today is from She's Happy Hair, and I actually made the clip-ins myself. So yeah, it's right here if y'all haven't seen it already. But I made the clip-ins myself because I had like a little emergency. Like, it is 28 inches. I got 3 bundles, so I'm just gonna show y'all right now. And while I'm showing y'all this hair, I'm trying to let my flat iron get hot. So yeah. So yeah, these are all the clip-ins. This is about a bundle and a half probably, or a little bit more than a half. So it took that much to make the clip-ins, and it blends pretty well with my hair. Like, it blends pretty good. The color's on point. This much of a track left, so about half a track, and well, half a bundle, and I had 1 bundle left. So as y'all see, I kind of used half of what I got. We will get into that later, more about the hair, but now let's actually do the hair. The first product I'll be using today is Fantasia's Icy Hair Polisher Daily Hair Treatment, and I've been using this since I was in like middle school for my hair, and I love it. Like, it never failed me. So yeah, I'm just gonna run this through my hair. It says it helps with dye. It says it helps with, it repairs, polishes, shines, dry, damaged hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna run that through. I'll be using the Pantene Heat Primer, and it's a thermal heat protectant. It helps protect hair up to 450 degrees. So I'm just gonna kind of just spray this all over my hair real quick. But if you guys want to see like a hair journey, like this video, because y'all see my hair at all types of length, and I cut my hair twice. Like, I did the big chop twice. So I know y'all wondering like what's going on with my hair. I get a lot of DMs and questions about how I grow my hair out so fast, so I could do a video on that. Part my hair in the back. My phone dropped, y'all, don't mind me. But yeah, I'm just gonna clip my hair up. And yeah, I'm just trying to run the flat iron through it because I'm not even wearing my hair bone straight anyway. I'm gonna curl the hair. When I apply the clip-ins, I just want it to be a little flat because it's been a couple days since I flat ironed it, and as y'all see, it's like super frizzy. So I'm just, like I said, I'm just trying to run the flat iron through it real quick, get some of that frizz out. And y'all, this is usually why I do wear wigs, because I hate applying heat to my hair, but wigs be giving me too hard of a time. Like, wigs being
Turn me up, bro.
Now it's really time for me. I need to go to a hair salon and get my hair trimmed. Like, I want to get my hair styled, like, you know, in the shape, because when I first got my hair cut, y'all, that girl cut my hair all types of messed up. Like, I really don't even think she knew what she was doing, but why the police rolling through the neighborhood? The fuck? But the girl didn't know what she was doing, but I'm trying to grow my hair out, and then I want to cut it into a new shape. So I'll probably do that sometime next year or something. But yeah, I'm definitely wanting a new shape because I don't really like how my hair is like layered or whatever. See, I'm almost done getting the frizz out. My ends definitely do need to be trimmed. So now my hair is all straightened out and flat for the most part. So now we're going to apply the clip-ins and get the styling. The hair is actually loose wave, so I do want to straighten that out so that when I curl it, we won't have, like, you know, the wave up here. But yeah, so all the hair is loose wave and all bundles are 28 inches. So it is pretty long. On me, it stops like past my butt, and I'm about 5'5". So after the hair is done, after I put the clip-ins in, I'll just stand up and show y'all how long it is on me. But yeah, I just want to, you know, get some of that out real quick. Straight one more time. But yeah, so I did get 3 bundles of Brazilian loose wave, 28 inches. And y'all, this is my first time wearing 28 inches. Like, I made 2 of each width. So this is my second width of the medium, which is 7 inches in width. So I made 2 of this width, this one and the one I just flat ironed. So I have about 6 in total. I have 2 smalls, 2 mediums, 2 large. So that kind of worked out perfectly for me. Actually, my second time purchasing She's Happy Hair. My first time, oh, so this is the this is one of the long lengths, and this is probably about a foot long, I believe. This is probably about 12 inches, so it's probably about 1 foot. But yeah, this is my second time purchasing She's Happy Hair. My first time was about 4 years ago. I have a video on that. That was actually my first video, y'all. That was my first YouTube video. So now I'm about to apply the clip-ins. The first thing I like to do is, maybe I should turn around and do it from the back. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do that. It may be a little hard, but okay, so the first, y'all, this is so difficult. So the first length I'm gonna get is the medium one right here, and I'm just gonna open the clips like that. And what I like to do is get the end of my hair closest to like my ear and apply the clip into the twist and just clip it. And then that's the first one. So what y'all think? So yeah, now you're just gonna let the hair loose, and you're gonna part the hair lightly like that, clip it. Okay, now the layer on top, you're just gonna comb it, make sure it's flat. And then I'm gonna take a longer length, since this is like ear to ear now, and open up these clips. And I'm just going to repeat that same step. So put the clip right there in the middle, and then put one on this side. So I think I kind of showed y'all pretty well, but now I have to look in the mirror so I can make sure I look good, okay?
Yeah, turn me up, bro. Yeah, turn me up, bro.
Now I'm going to take this short length and clip it right here. And just comb that down. All right, so the clip ends are in. I think it looked pretty good like this. Like, it's even cute like this if you're going for, like, you know, the messy look or whatever, but we're not doing a messy look. We're gonna get to it. So let's finish styling the hair. Oh, let me show y'all how long it is on me. So smell right. So yeah, while that's getting hot, we are going to style the hair now. Kind of like that. Y'all, I'm not the best curler either. Like, I'm not really good with styling hair, but you know, it doesn't hurt to try. So yeah. Oh, that look kind of good, girl. Period. Yes, y'all. That is cute. Like, yes, keep doing that.
Yeah, turn me up, bro. Yeah, turn me up, bro.
Okay guys, so that was it for my She's Happy hair review. I hope y'all liked it. I am in love with the hair. Like, I think it blends with my hair really nice. It looks real natural. So I'm in love. I really like it. You guys want to see some pictures with me in this hair, because y'all know, like, y'all gotta know I just took some pictures. I'm going out tonight. I'm taking some more. But if y'all want to see how I look later with this hair, then follow me on my social medias. I'll have them right here or in the description box. This video, if y'all want to see my natural hair journey. And yeah, that is it for this video. So like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications. And without further ado, I'll see y'all later. Mwah.